Hi, I'm Isaac Rodriguez. I'm a business consultant. I want to talk to you about how you can make a collection call for services rendered. If you provided services, then certainly you are entitled to receive payment for those services. Now, according to the terms of what it is that you did, let's say, for example, you provided consulting services to a company and you showed them how to do a certain procedure. Now, you sent them a bill, and in that bill, you stipulate the terms of payment. That may be upon receipt of that payment is due on receipt, or it is due over a period of time, maybe 30 days. Now let's say that 30 days has come and gone and you still haven't received a check or payment form. Of course you want to call. The first call you make once the 30 days has come or in anticipation of that would be just to check to see if it was mailed. You don't want to assume that your client, and hopefully you're doing business with reputable companies, that you don't have to worry that they would not pay you. So you want to just check if the check was mailed and when, and you're following up. So you contact the accounts payable department or the owner of the company to discuss what happened to the payment of the invoice. You want to make sure that it is a cordial call, the initial call that it is that you make, because it could be just an honest mistake, or the check could have been lost in the mail, or some procedure or something else might have caused the delay in paying your particular invoice. And your approach in making this collection call would potentially damage future business with this client if you don't treat it carefully. So be understanding of the potential circumstances that might arise and prepare for the eventuality of not necessarily getting paid and making stronger and more frequent phone calls, but always cordial and positive. And hopefully you'll get paid quickly. I'm Isaac Rodriguez. I'm a business consultant, and that's how you make some collection calls.